Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to set status to do not disturb on a Discord for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Discord application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Discord. And after that you can see in the below here there is have a three option for you. You can click the right inside here or the right of the corner for the below, and go to get status. Click on the get status. Okay, there is have so many of the option for you. The first one is online, it's mean you now. The second one is idle. The third one is do not disturb, and the fourth one is invisible, and the last is set a custom status. Okay, how to make your Discord is have a set status to do not disturb. You can just click on do not disturb, and you can see you will not receive any desktop notifications. Okay, click on the do not disturb, and now you can see there is a have a do not disturb in your set status. It means your Discord is have a do not disturb for the status. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough for how to set status do not disturb on Discord for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.